Hey, this is Laura from What Tools Inside, and even though I'm sitting here in my room, I feel like I'm on a tropical island somewhere, just soaking up the sun rays and dipping my toes in the sand because of this candle right here behind me. This candle is from the company Wax and Wit. They are a woman-based company out of Portland, Oregon. This candle in particular is a part of their happy hour collection. It is the pina colada one, and it has coconut, rum, and pineapple, and it truly does smell like a pina colada. And what is great about this candle is that it is 100% soy wax and paraffin free, so that means you're not burning chemicals or toxins, and that you're going to get a slow burn out of this candle. They also have different sayings on their candles and different packages that you can either get for yourself or for a friend, but I highly recommend that you check them out. And that is just my point of view.